Okay, so I've done a little bit of a system that is kind of like you're saying. It's not the cleanest, a little bit janky, but that's always the case when you're working, trying to adapt the default inventory. So I've just made a bunch of tools, different colours, so you can see what they're doing. If you walk into this one, drop that one, drop it. I might want to make the time a little longer, so you don't just pick it up instantly. But yeah, basically, you get one key, drop the other key. Get one key, drop the other key. Pick it up again. If you just keep running into it, it's gonna pick up the other one again, like that. I think that's kind of what you want. You can adjust it a little bit. So what we're doing, got a script in character scripts, starter player, starter character scripts, and then I put a script in here. Getting the player service so that we can use the get player from character function method. Get the character, which is the script's parent because it's in starter character scripts. Player, use the player from character and put the character into that, plug that into that method, and it will return the player associated with it. So now we have the player, we can get the backpack. The backpack, we're going to use the child added event. So we look at the backpack, dot child added. So this is saying on this event, we're going to connect this function. It's just going to write an anonymous function, just running it straight in here. This event passes the child, the child that has been added to the backpack. So basically, when you pick up a tool, the tool you pick up goes into your hand, and any tool that's in your hand goes into your backpack. So we're going to take that tool that you had is now going into your backpack. We want that tool to be the one we drop. So we're going to that's going to be this child. We're going to set its can touch to false so that you don't basically just end up with an infinite loop of switching between keys really fast. Then I've got a small yield in here. Again, this is not good practice, but if we just go straight away and try and set the parent to workspace, it'll have trouble because it will be trying to set the parent to, because this child added event is going to happen at the exact moment that it's setting the parent to the backpack. So when this executes will be the exact same moment. So you'll have two instructions to parent the same thing, and doesn't like that. So just by having a minimum wait in there, so basically a wait with nothing in the middle there, works out about 0.03 seconds, I believe. That will mean that there's just enough delay that we can now parent it to the workspace. And then we're going to wait 0.5 seconds and set it to can touch true again so it can be collected again. This is the bit you want to change if you want it to not pick up quite so quickly like this. If we set it to, let's just set it to a bigger number so you can see. Let's say 5 seconds. Now when we pick up, come on, loading. When we pick up one, we go to the next one. We can't pick this one up for a little while. Yeah, and now obviously I don't think you actually want 5 seconds. There you go. Now 5 seconds is up. We'll pick it up again. I doubt you want 5 seconds on there, but you know that's the number you're going to play with. Maybe I'd probably say 1 second. I think that's pretty standard. Yeah, and that's it. So I hope you understand what's going on there. Ask any questions by all means. And if this helps you out, help me out by subscribing. I've only got like 20 subscribers, not even that. Thanks, bye.